How to get free Spotify Premium on iPhone 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get free Spotify Premium on iPhone 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, what you need to do is just head over to your browser, which is Safari, and from in there just search for Spotify free trial PayPal and just go for it. And then you can see in here the get 3 months of free Spotify Premium from PayPal. So just click on that link right there, and this will direct you to that page. So click on accept right here, click on get offer, and then this will load and you can actually sign up on PayPal. So back there on the web page, you can also see this Spotify from here. So just click on that. And from in there, you can see the $0 trial. So just click on $0 trial right there. And this will redirect you to Spotify. So you can continue with Google right here or just continue with anything. But for me, I will sign up for a new account. So I will sign up for Spotify and then enter my email. So for this, I will use my email, which is bmframs3@gmail.com. And then I will just copy this right here and then put in a new password that I want to use. So for example, the password is right here, and then after that you can just add in something that we want to call us. So let's type in BM, and then from in there you can add in the date of birth that you have, and from in there just type in your gender, click on sign up, and as you can see it will sign you up to Spotify. So let's just wait for it for a little bit. And as you can see, we need to validate our offer because we need to enter the code that we receive on PayPal. So just head over to your Gmail and then search for the PayPal's code that they have give you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you how to get free Spotify Premium on iPhone 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.